The cable is the heart of your drain auger. It is the part that the cutter's attached to and allows you to feed them into your drain pipes. The cable is made up of a braided steel cable with a wrapped steel shroud. The most common issue with the cable is a damaging kink caused by the cable binding. The kink can be cut out of the cable and a new coupler installed, but depending on where the kink is located, you might lose too much of the cable's length. Replacing the cable is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by pulling the old cable completely out of the drum. With all of the cable removed from the drum, now I'll move to the back of the machine and loosen the two screws that secure the cable clamp. With the clamp loosened, now I can remove the cable from it. And I'll pull the cable out of the drum. Now I can install the new cable. I want to leave the cable inside the box and use the box as a dispenser to install the cable. I've located both ends of the cable, and I'll leave the end with the coupler inside the box. The bare end, I'll pull from the box and start feeding back into the auger. I'll bring the guide tube around and align it close to the clamp. And I'll work the cable around to the clamp. I'll want to feed enough cable into the drum so I have about 3 or 4 inches of cable extending past the clamp once it's inserted. That looks good, so now I'll feed the cable through the clamp. And that looks good. I'll rotate the machine back around and tighten up the clamp screws. I'll place the rest of the cable down on the floor and then pull the cable into the drum. And that's how you can install a new cable in your drain auger. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.